properties of scalar multiplication. If A is equal to a matrix of order m by n, B is equal to a matrix of order m by n, and if we consider K and L to be scalars, then K times A plus B is equal to Ka plus Kb. So let's try to prove it. K times A plus B is equal to K times Aij plus Bij. So that will be equal to K of Aij plus Bij. Now it can be split up as Kaij plus Kbij. So that is equal to K times the matrix A plus K times the matrix B, and hence the result. That is, we see that every element of A gets multiplied by A, so also every element of B gets multiplied by K. Similarly, if we consider K plus L times A, it is equal to Ka plus La with the same understanding. Let us do an example now. If A is equal to 6, 9, 12, 3, then we are asked to find out what is 1/3 of A. Let's solve it now. What is A? A is given to be 6, 9, 12, 3. What is 1/3 of A? So it is like multiplying K times A with K value being equal to 1 by 3. So it is 1 by 3 times 6, 9, 12, 3. So what does that say? Every element of A gets multiplied by the constant outside. So it is equal to 6 by 3, 9 by 3, 12 by 3, 3 by 3. So that is equal to 6 by 3 is 2, 9 by 3 is 3, 12 by 3 is 4, and 3 by 3 is equal to 1. So 1/3 of A is equal to 2, 3,